Hey guys, Mark Brown here, Kriete Truck Center, Madison, 608-642-0172. Today here we're walking around one of our 2026 Mack Granite quad axles. This truck has just been through the shop, inspected, serviced, and is ready to go. This truck does still have remaining factory warranty. This truck does have one of our cross-country bodies with the high lift tailgate, Tarp, Vibrator. If you have any questions, give me a call or stop on in the Kriete Truck Center, Madison today to check out this unit or many more that we have available. Have a great day.